Okay, go. Wait, is it literally or literary? What are y'all saying?
I thought it was literally.
Literally. Little
I
airily.
can't say it.
Literally.
Like, I can't fight literally.
What'd you say at first?
I can't fight
Literally.
She said literally.
She said what?
Literally.
Literally.
There
Literally.
you go, literally.
Literally.
Wait, lingerie.
Lingerie.
And
How do you
DA.
spell lingerie?
Oh, man.
It's what?
L-A-U-N-G. I don't know. Wait. Just admit.
Huh?
Admit.
Just admit it.
Admit it. And demand.
And lingerie.
And lingerie. And what was another one?
His.
There was some other one. Oh, me. Difficult.
Difficulty. Because it's funny.
Difficulty. Why you gotta be so sarcasm?
Why you have to be so sarcasm?
It's gonna get even more
Packer.
Oh my gosh, whatever.
I gained so many pounds.
That is sarcasm.
I gained so much pounds.
It's sarcasm. Sarcasm.